Hello guys, today I have got myself a rear brake light with indicators made for American trucks. This one has this special plug, which I understand is usual to use in the American pickup trucks. I just want to show you the feature of this because it has only 4 plugs. Indicator, and running light for the rear. How do you do the brake light? This is the earth. It also has a separate red wire which is for the backup light. So let's take a closer look at this. This is I don't remember how many centimeters. I will provide it in the text below. Yeah. And let's start wiring this one. Here we go. You have this 4 plugs, which is indicator, running one, which is very nice, and then the second one is also indicator for the other side. It's also running, and the last one is the rear light. Yeah. And then, if you want to brake, you have to put it on the one of the indicators and hold it. I find this very stupid. If you take the other indicator, same. So maybe it's better to do it if you put it in between the two. But still, I find this very stupid. You have to use 2 diodes to achieve this. You see here the weak light and then the brake light. Stupid, eh? I don't know who has invented this funny construction, but no one on YouTube has ever showed this because I have searched a lot to find any information about this kit. So I just ordered one. So 2 diodes and then the brake light will come on. I will do the wiring of this later so I can show you. That's it really. And then of course if you take this red wire and connect that one to the plus, you will get a white light, which is the reverse backup light. It's really very bright really, so yeah. Yes, it's not so much more to tell about it. I just want to tell you this about this brake light function, which is very strange. But anyway, that is how it looks like. Let's see if we can put you on the stand again. Here we go. So you can see it here on the manual as well, as it says indicator, and brake light. Very strange. I don't know if you can see this, but hopefully. Yes. Okay. That's all from me this time. Just want to clear this up so everyone has to know this before they buy it. Thanks for watching guys. See you again later. Goodbye.